Wow. Sweep oscillator. Some exciting high frequency stuff. Switch. National. My guess is these are very good and reliable relays. Reference and rectifier. Beautiful. Siemens MKL metallized paper capacitors. Good quality. Motorola. Very interesting. This is probably 91. One gigahertz low pass filter. Awesome. Wow. Voodoo. I love it. Modulation oscillator. Wow. This is some military, I guess, tensile capacitor. Oh, just broke the ferrite. Beautiful. Power amp. Of course, we are talking about very small signals. So this is... okay. Wow. TRW. This is some military stuff. They are also an automotive products. Very interesting. Great. I really like it. Mixer. These are shielded cans, but they are plastic type with, I guess, is some silver plating. Okay, we are looking at a mixer. Very interesting. These are quite early SMD components. Let's see what's in here. Maybe nothing. Ah! Some more high frequency voodoo. I love it. Preamplifier. This should be very interesting. Ah, exactly. Optimax. What's that? Interesting. Is it date code 1977? Yes. This is 1978. Frequenzteiler. Yeah, some really old cool components. TTL. These are all date coded from the end of the 70s. At least some of them. And the last can. Discriminator. I like it. These are also tantal capacitors. This is the bottom side of the shielded cans. Ah, yes, you can see this is this clearly is silver. Very interesting. Revision. No. To connector 903. Some really, really old vintage gold-plated connector. Beautiful. Here we have some regulators. Minus 21 volts, plus 16 volts, and minus 16 volts. Beautiful. Of course, this is not HP. This is not Agilent, but still, this is very good quality. And you have to imagine that these units were built in very low units. If you keep this in mind, it is even more impressive. Wow. Of course, this is so-called mu metal. I don't know the correct term in English. In German, we say Mu-Metall. So let's have a look inside. Oh. Ah, didn't mention. Some tape. Wait a minute. There we go. Wow. Great. This is a military version of the LM-741 in a metal can. Lovely. Exciting. Another date code, 1979. Wow, this is really old. We are on the bottom side right now. And look, this is really interesting. I love the vintage metal cans. It's just beautiful. Have a look at the input attenuator. Awesome. Wow. So, let's have a look inside these cans. I have to remove the tape at first. I'm very sorry, I'm not a native speaker and I'm really struggling. It would be very easy in German, I can tell you. But yeah, I want to offer these videos to the international audience. Just forgive me if I don't have the correct terms and yeah, very improper grammatic. I'm sorry. I hope it will get better within time. But at this moment, this is all I can offer. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. It's just amazing. Wonderful quality. Wow. Measuring frequency source. Oh, this is really botchy. Look at that. Oh man. At this moment, I'm filming with some Nokia Lumia phone. But I will get myself a proper camera. But this takes some time. Oscillator. Beautiful. No, they are not socketed. Phase measuring unit. Beautiful. Oh, what's this? That's kinda interesting. Yeah, that's it. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Have a look at that. I love it. Great. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, I would be very happy about a big thumbs up. And other than that, hope to see you next time. See you.